All right, we're going to try this metal cutting blade, the Milwaukee 42 7-inch blade. I'm using my Ryobi brushless 7-inch battery-powered circular saw. First off, I'll show quickly how to change the blade. On this one, you always want to take the battery out first. There's a button to lock the blade in right here, and the blade screw is actually a left-hand thread. So to open it up, we're gonna find the place where the blade stops by pushing in the blade lock, and then turn it in a clockwise direction, the screw, to bring it out. Normally you would unscrew counterclockwise. There's a keeper bushing. We're gonna talk about that in just a second. You move out your old blade. It always goes to the printed side out. Nice thing about this blade, it comes with perforation in the back, so you just open right up. And it's a good storage container if you put that on your pegboard. You put the blade in, and this has got a larger hole than the Ryobi, the center hole. So that's where this center washer comes in. If you put the conical washer upside down, it helps center it on the blade bushing. And then again, this is threaded left-hand thread, so we actually put it in by spinning it this time counterclockwise. So this direction spins it. You want to kind of just carefully go in there so that the blade has the chance to center itself in there. And then the final tightening we're going to do again with the blade hold right here, where we clamp the blade in one position. There it goes. Nice and tight. Put the tool back. Put the battery back in. And next we'll give it a try. I cut this 1/8 inch aluminum with the Milwaukee 42 saw. Earlier, you can see the size of the kerf, about an 1/8 inch kerf.